Hey guys, it's me again, Martin Yared, and today we're gonna make two dishes. One being sweet and sour chicken and the other being Yangzhou or Yangzhou fried rice. So we'll be starting off with the sweet and sour chicken, which originated from China around 18th century or earlier, and it is known around the world and I love it. So let's go. So in this recipe, we'll be using cornstarch mixed with water to thicken our sauce. Water, ketchup, salt, pineapple, carrots, green and red bell pepper, sugar, vinegar, white vinegar, oil, water, soy sauce, white onions, flour, cornstarch, chicken, and egg. So let's go. Okay, once we got our ingredients ready, let's start cooking. So first off, we're gonna put some water in here. Put our chicken as well inside. Then we'll put some eggs, a single egg, I mean. And then mix that up like that. Then we put our flour. And then we put our cornstarch. If your mixer is too wet, don't worry, just add more cornstarch. The mixture is a bit wet, but to the point that it coats it perfectly. So this is ready. Now we need to prepare the deep fryer. So we have our deep fryer here and it seems to be really hot right now. So we'll lower the fire a bit. You can also check if the deep fryer is hot by dropping a bit of batter inside. So let's put in our chicken. Stir a bit. Put in. Make sure to space it out so they won't stick together. So we're gonna deep fry this twice. So a bit white, a bit gold. Before we deep fry it again, we need to cut these battery strings, if you could call it like that. So I have a scissor, just cut it off. Do that to every chicken that has it, and when you're done, just cool it off a bit and throw it back in the deep fry. So our deep fry is back. We're gonna put all the chicken back in for the second deep fry. Give it a more crispy, get a more crispy crust. Look at that, it looks crispy already. The reason why we double fry is to make the chicken crispy and not soggy. So that's one reason why we double fry. Now we'll be making the sweet and sour sauce. So first we'll put the oil in our wok. Second, we'll be putting ketchup in. Now we're gonna mix the water we had earlier with soy sauce, white vinegar, sugar, and salt. We'll put in the mixture. And let it simmer before you start stirring it. So it's starting to simmer, let's mix it up. Now we're gonna put our vegetables. We'll put our green and red bell pepper. Our white onions. And we'll put in our carrots. And lastly, we'll put in our pineapple. It may look wet now, but remember the water and cornstarch mixture I showed earlier in the video? So we'll be putting that in. We'll measure it out. Just a few drops for that. This will thicken the sauce before we put in the chicken. So it's starting to thicken up a bit. So before we fully thicken it, we put our chicken. So in our chicken goes. Put in our chicken. Once the chicken is coated with the sweet and sour sauce, that's when we put in the water and cornstarch mixture. As you can see, it's finally thickening. A while ago it was really wet and now it's really thick, thanks to the water and cornstarch mixture. So we're done with our sweet and sour chicken, and the best thing to pair it is our second dish, the Jiangsu fried rice. The Jiangsu fried rice originated from Yangzhou city in Jiangsu province. Let's go. The ingredients for Jiangsu fried rice is sesame oil, carrots, green peas, day-old cold rice, scallions, minced garlic, barbecued pork, scrambled eggs, prawns, and another scrambled eggs. I'll show you why. Let's go. So with our day-old cold rice, we put in scrambled eggs. And we mix it until every grain is coated in egg yolk. This will give it the yellow color. Once it's mostly covered, that's when we get the wok. Put in our sesame oil. Then we put in our prawns. Set this aside. Our second mixed eggs. Now we want to scramble this up. We want to just gonna do this, so I'll turn into many pieces. Keep doing this until it turns into pieces. Set this aside. Put oil again. Then we put the minced garlic. Now we add barbecue pork. And then the rice. We then add the green peas, the carrots, and the scallions. This seems about right. That's when you put the prawns and the omelette we made a while ago. And we're done. Wasn't so bad, wasn't that hard. You have your own Yangzhou fried rice. Whew, it's really hot here. So, we're done with both of the dishes. Let's just plate it up and let's see how it looks like.